Hello users. So we are going to start with CC Commercial Invest, and I'm your developer and I'm making these videos for the tutorials so that you can understand the system. And this is my system, REA Property Invest, which is named as CC Commercial Invest over here, and it depends from client to client whatever they name want to put over here. And I'm going to explain you one by one what the system is doing, what are the features, and that's the user manual for you. Now here you can see Cyrus Capital LLC, this is the organization name, and CC Commercial Invest is the workspace name which we are going to use in our further communications. Okay, so first of all I'm going to tell you a brief basic about Podio. So this is your account, and there are two versions of Podio for the UI and UX. UI means user interface, and you can just switch to the new look, that's the beta version. You just need to click over here, and this is the new look. So don't get confused that you are seeing something else and I'm talking about something else. We can go ahead with this one also, but I will show you in a much simpler format, which is like this. Okay, this one. And we go ahead with this UI. These are the notification you see. These are the messages which you can send to your connections within the Podio itself. This is your calendar. You can link this calendar with your Google Calendar like this and export to calendar. You can use the iCal and okay, add calendaring service. Now add calendaring service, you can add it to Office 365 Business, Google Calendar, Microsoft Exchange, like this. Okay, here are the tasks for you. You can make a task for yourself. You can make these tasks. For example, if you want to make a new task, you can put over here. Okay, you can enter the due date, today, tomorrow, custom date. You want to put any custom date, and you want to put that, for example, follow up with Michael, like this. And for whom you want to, for example, you want to make it for me or for Maurice, or Maurice want to make it for someone else, you can put it like here and create task, attach any file, attach any label, enter more description of the task, put some due date. So you can do those things over here and then create task. Here is your connections. You can put your see your connections over here. You can all, if you want to remove a connection, want to view profile, send a message, you can do everything like here. If you want to remove connection, you just go over here and remove the connection. So this is just about the Podio, which I've told you. And this Cyrus Capital LLC is organization. If you want to leave the organization, if you want to change the settings, you can go over here. If you want to leave the organization, you can put like leave organization from here. Settings are from here. For example, if you want to change the logo, change the name, if you want to change the URL, then you need to first change the name and everything like that. Leave organization, user management, security. So these are the things which you can see that okay, why Podio has a secure version of data and all those things from here. If you want to change your account settings, you can see your profile. I prefer whenever you are using your Podio, make sure that this profile is completely made like this one. You can also use your account settings and see some of the things, whether you are in the correct time zone or not, whether you have selected language is correct, email address is verified, your password is not going to show over here. Two-step verification you can enable, disable from here, but make sure that you are the owner of this Podio and you are not just an employee or organization. You should be organization admin. Now services are like this. You can connect with Evernote, ShareFile, Dropbox, GoToMeeting, SugarSync, and do things like this. Email and notification, you can also set the priority when you want to see the email notifications for you and when not. So you can put this, or you can see like this. Someone sends me a message, that means the Podio message, okay, not the text message. It means Podio message. Someone gives you a task, for example, someone mentions you, like at the rate, and let's say I say, okay, I cannot do this, I can do this, Anuj, and someone puts like this, hi Anuj, how are you, or where are we on this lead, or what are you doing, please follow with the person, please call this lead, like this. You can do add, okay, like this. I'm sorry. Changes in workspace membership occur. You can check this because whenever a member leaves, occurs, or joins, you get the mail. You are being reminded about something. When somebody mentions you again, I created or updated meeting as organizer. You can create or update meeting. Someone adds me as a participant. So all of the things you can read over here and test them and click on save when you want to get emails and when you don't. External lab permissions, these are for Podio for iPhone and Lead Sherpa, smartphone, workflow. This is like this. API keys, your API keys are generated over here. You need to put some URLs. And this is app market profile. So these are the things which mostly developers use, but only account settings, services, email and notifications. These are the things which can be used by you guys. So you can make sure you are over here. Okay, so yeah, this is the first video for this, and in next video I'm going to tell you about the apps, and we're going to start with follow-up campaigns app.